Hi guys, back at the farm. Remember when I took off the yard? Now look at it. It is totally changed, guys, totally. Used to be the coal house thingy bob there, the shed. No, that was the shed. Round here was where the coal house was. That was my yard I used to play in. So here's Christina. Sorry, I'm just videoing. For YouTube, I'm a YouTuber now.
Oh, are you?
Yes. Do a lot of YouTube videos.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's totally changed, guys, totally. A lot of happy memories, but sad memories at the same time. Because down there used to be the yard bit where you used to walk down to get to the car. So it's quite a shock seeing it. So guys, going to leave you is going to take you out for a walk in a bit and catch you guys later. Love you loads. Be cool, be happy, stay tuned. Health for us.